What is up, YouTube? Long time no speak. Uh-oh. Lens didn't open all the way. Come on, camera. There we go. Much better. So what is up, YouTube? Long time no speak. I have this awesome connection right now to drive about an hour away to pick up a bunch of free inventory for eBay. It's all clothing and stuff like that, but it's free. So I figure I'm gonna go check it out. I want to live stream in there. I'm not 100% sure if I'm allowed to or what's going on, even if I'll have service, who knows. So I want to at least film on my camera also, so maybe you'll get 2 videos for the price of 1. You'll be able to see a lot more behind the scenes if I'm able to do the live stream. This is just gonna be a more straight to the point video, but hopefully we get some awesome stuff. Maybe we'll stop at a few thrift stores on the way back. Who knows? The person I know said this entire car will get packed with inventory. So let's hope we get some awesome stuff. All right, guys, so we are back at my house now. Sadly, I couldn't get any footage inside. We were pressed for time. We had to get to the vet with Sophia and get her shots done. But now we are home, so I got some bags of stuff. Guys, all of this was completely free. Awesome connection, guys. I really wish I could have showed you inside. I left thousands of clothes behind because I only had 40 minutes. Now, this isn't it. We also have 1, 2, 3 more bags right here. So, I mean, I want to show you guys a few things. This bag right here, I didn't even go through. This is just Hawaiian shirts, it says. That's all. It's just a bag of Hawaiian shirts. Now, you're not going to be finding things like Tommy Bahama or anything in here. What's this one? We'll take a look at one. We got 7 Palm brand, 100% silk, made in China. Let's see if we can focus in on that. There you go. It's just a basic, you know, Hawaiian shirt. Kind of cool. It is summer, so hey, not too bad. It's interesting design. There's a whole bunch like that in here. You're not going to be finding brands like Tommy Bahama, anything like that. But still not too bad. Now let's take a look at some of these. I want to show you guys because I only filled up 2 bags. Kristen came with me. She filled up 2 bags. That bag was random. So I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to go through, I don't know, I guess one of these bags fully. And you guys can see the kind of stuff that I picked up. I think we'll do this one because it looks like there's some Hawaiian shirts down there and some flannels up there. And yeah, I mean, everything was completely free, which is crazy. I mean, totally worth the hour drive. So let's see what we got in here. All right. So this right here, this is kind of like a suede leather. It's Woolrich, which is actually pretty good brand. I'm sure you could see it right there. It's definitely gone down in value, gone down in price, but it's still, you know, I mean, for free, not bad. Pretty nice long sleeve flannel. What else do we have in here? This is kind of like a corduroy flannel. Not really. Don't really know this brand at all. It's called Shelter Island Outfitters. It looks vintage, so it's kind of cool. Kind of a nice flannel, as you can see. There's the logo right there. Pretty interesting. Not sure if that's worth anything, but like I said, guys, all this stuff was completely free. So, whatever. Here is a Hawaiian shirt in here. North Crest. I mean, I have no idea. North Crest. Just kind of, it's rayon. I mean, odds are this isn't going to sell for anything. I just grabbed a few brands that I had never heard of before. I didn't have time to look everything up on my phone, like I said. I just grabbed and threw into the bags. And yeah, it is what it is. What do we have here? Field and Stream, a size XL. This is like a chamois cloth, which does pretty good for LL Bean. There's the logo right there. It does pretty good for LL Bean, so I figure, hey, this might go well for Field and Stream as well. I don't think I've ever sold that brand online before, but who knows. This is interesting. This brand is called Urban Rags, and it's made in India. It's kind of like a Bob Marley stoner style. You know, it's like made out of cotton, but it feels like that material. It's kind of interesting. I'll show you guys the logo because I've never heard of it before. See if we could get in on this. There we go. You can kind of see it right there. It's kind of showing up. Let's see what else we got. We got a bunch of different things. Here's a few more cool Hawaiian shirts. This is Royal Creations Double XL. This one's made in Hawaii, so you can see the crazy patterns on here. Pretty interesting for free. I mean, if I could list these shirts for, you know, $10 to $15 to $20, just somewhere in there, right? And they sell, I'm still very happy. This brand I've seen at thrift stores all the time. It doesn't go for a lot, but you know, it's free, so if it goes for something, I'm happy. And this is 100% silk as well. It's Jamaica Jacks, Jaxx. Just a Hawaiian button-down shirt. A lot of these are double XLs, triple XLs, even just regular XLs, so that definitely is going to help be worth a little more money. All right, what else do we got in here? I'm not going to go through all of these. I'm just showing you the types of things that I grabbed. Here's the chamois cloth, so you can see exactly how that's spelt. This one is LL Bean. I don't know how well it's picking it up, but you can see it right there. This is a size 17, made in USA, vintage LL Bean. 2 big pockets on the front. I mean, this thing's pretty nice right there. We have another big flannel style thing right here. This is cool, it's different. The logo, sadly, or the brand tag, sadly, has been ripped off. So I don't think I will be able to figure out what brand this is. But it's made in USA. It's an extra large. Yeah, I won't be able to find the size, which is really sad, or the brand. But it has these cool ducks flying on the front. I just figured it's unique, it's cool. If I could get 15 bucks for it, I'll be happy. What is this? This doesn't feel very good. It doesn't feel like silk or anything. It's Coors Light brand. It's Coors Light official gear, so it's just this cool, interesting, crazy Hawaiian Coors Light shirt, and it says Coors Light right down there. So I thought it was unique enough to where, hey, it might sell for some good money. What else do we got in here? Okay, this is weird. I don't think this is worth anything, but I just grabbed it because why not? Let me button it up a little bit. So I saw this shirt in there and I left it. I was like, I'm not gonna get this thing, it's weird. And then I kept like flipping past it and I wanted to just grab it. If it's worth something, it's worth something. If it's not, it's not. It is this weird kid surfboarding on a shirt. And you'll probably be able to see it better on the back. There we go. I have no idea. The brand is Original Ice Collection. I doubt it's worth anything. It might be, it might not be. Who knows? I have no idea. Yeah, so that's pretty much the stuff I got. I'll show you guys like 1 or 2 more, and then I'll explain how I plan to get rid of this stuff. Right here we have an Eddie Bauer, just a flannel, pretty nice, and another LL Bean. This is women's LL Bean, which I've never sold. I grabbed it by mistake, I guess. Probably thought it was men's. And now we did find a couple decent brands in here. I found one Brooks Brothers. Here's another LL Bean. I found a, Kristen actually found an Orvis, so that's pretty cool. Here's another Field and Stream. So some interesting brands, nothing mind-blowing, no Patagonia, cool, you know, crazy expensive brands, but still some good stuff nonetheless. Now let me explain to you guys how I plan to get rid of all this stuff. Really quick, I found this really cool big Pirates sports varsity jacket, and now I thought it was like the actual Pirates baseball team, but I was wrong. You can see, where is it? Right here. It's Hampton Athletics Department, Virginia. I don't know, maybe somebody that went to that school will want this. It's New Era, it's size 3XL. There we go, size 3XL. So it's pretty cool, definitely unique. And I have another really big one right here. It's an Echo. Just thought it was cool. 1972 Echo, world famous Rhino brand. There we go. You see it has all these awesome patches all over it. The back is pretty cool. I just thought this thing was neat, so I grabbed it. I grabbed a few things like that. So I did get a whole different variety of things. I got a bunch of ties in one of these bags. I got some track jackets over there. So it's not just flannels and Hawaiian shirts. There's also these cool jackets, and you know, there's a track jacket that's very 80s over there, the lime green. So that was cool. And here's the pup back from her shots. You did good, Soph. You did good today. You did very good today. She doesn't care. She's mad because she had to go get shots. Right? You're mad? It's okay. Okay, so I have a couple methods at how I think I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. The first is obviously just listing as is on eBay to sell it, right? Those LL Bean shirts, you know, $19.99, $17.99, just things like that on eBay, they'll sell. for a lot of these brands that I don't know anything about, a lot of these Hawaiian shirts, I was thinking about just doing $9.99 auction and just let it ride. If it sells for $9.99, great. I'm happy it was free. It's gonna cost me about $3 to $4 to ship out. So I'm only gonna make about $4 on it after fees and everything, but that's okay. I got a whole bunch of them. 4 times 10 is 40 bucks. If I sell 10 of them, you know, since it's an auction, I'm not too worried because they would all end up selling the same day. So that's pretty cool. That's definitely a method that you could use. The only other thing I could think of is to maybe offload some of this locally. So that's not the ideal way to do it. Obviously, all the stuff I grabbed, I wanted to try to sell on eBay from at least $9 to $20. Some of these bigger jackets here, like that Echo, and some other stuff that I ended up getting, maybe that Orvis, I want to try and sell for, you know, $40, $50. That Orvis, not so much, but those jackets, possibly. So those are kind of my options. Now, I did want to have a tag sale at my house kind of soon, so that would be the local way of getting rid of it. I have a whole bunch of DVDs and CDs left, guys, from that huge 10,000 DVD and CD haul that I did. Bought those for $950. I've sold so many of them. I haven't really done an update video because I haven't kept track with them super well, but they're still selling. I'm still listing them. I still have so many more to continue to list. It's just I have all these other things going on, right? It's tough. One-man gig trying to do everything at once, but still, it's no problem. So I was thinking about running a tag sale, selling off DVDs and CDs for $1. I could sell off the clothing for $1 a piece, and they were free. So a lot of the brands that I'm like, things, because I didn't have time to really look them over. So if they have stains or holes, I could try to sell them for $1 a piece. They don't sell, I donate them. It's no big deal there either. So those are really my methods and my plans to try to sell this stuff. I mean, I'll keep you guys as updated as I can. Definitely, you know, leave your comments down below if you have any questions. I can't tell you where I got this stuff, but it was just some guy that used to sell clothing. He stopped, you know, just something as easy as that. Always keep an eye out for this stuff. Make connections, guys, because this was definitely a great find for free. If I were to go through all of this stuff with you guys, this video would be an hour long. Some of you love that, but that would be pretty insane just to go through some clothing. I don't even know what's in half these bags. So I'm very happy I got this stuff. Hopefully you guys go out there and find some cool things like this. Try to look for bulk buys. They're definitely the best. I didn't have to spend any money on this besides gas and these garbage bags. The garbage bags were expensive because I was at a U-Haul and I had to pay $10 for 10 bags. Very stupid, but at $1 a bag, I could reuse them as my garbage bags in the future, even though they're clear, whatever. So that's kind of where I'm at. I spent 10 bucks plus a little bit of gas to get down there. I'm in the hole maybe $15, $20 on all this stuff. Very good price, so I'm happy about that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. That's very important to see more videos, see more updates, and all that good stuff. Till next time, guys, this is Thrift School signing out. See ya. Say bye, little girl. You gonna say bye? Can I see that? Can I see your paw? What? Oh, I'm not done filming. I need Soph to give me her paw before I end the video. Oh, there we go. Good girl. All right, bye.